Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss how to fix apps not downloading in iPhone, apps not downloading from App Store. So do not waste any time. I will request to my all friends subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. Do not waste any time. Fix this problem. How to fix this problem? So guys, first of all you have uh, should we check the Wi-Fi connection, internet connection available in your iPhone. Then other solution, you have open the setting and then you have click on Apple ID and then scroll up, then you have Apple ID sign out, and then you will sign in few seconds wait, and then you will sign in Apple ID, and then your problem will be fixed. If this solution is not working, other solution, you have be restart your iPhone, volume up button and volume down button, and press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then your few seconds wait and your problem will be fixed. Then other solution, you have reset network setting. Then you have open the setting and scroll up, then tap on general, scroll up, then you transfer or reset, and then reset network setting. Then if you have no any data lose your iPhone, only reset network setting, and then your problem will be fixed. If there are this solution is not working, then other solution, you have again open the setting and then scroll up, then you have open the App Store, and then you have turn on app updates, and then you have scroll up, then you have uh, click on automatic downloads, turn on, and then you have open the app downloads, and you have must be always allow, then you have click on do not always ask if our 200 MB not, then you select always allow, and then your problem will be fixed. And 100% uh, app download on iPhone from App Store, then your problem will be fixed. Hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.